ago, I started a challenge to build an AI business from scratch. No team, no funding, and no experience. Today, I built my first AI automation. In the last video, I shared some powerful AI tools that can replace entire teams. Many businesses spend hours replying to the same messages and emails. What if AI could do that automatically? So I decided to build a simple automation that responds to new leads automatically. This simple system can save hours of work every week. This is just the beginning. Over the next weeks, I'll try to turn these automations into a real AI business. This is day 7 of the challenge. If you want to see whether this AI business succeeds or fails, subscribe and follow the journey.